My god, I don't know how to start this video. Well, hello. Long time no see. I know it has been a long time since I've uploaded once again, and I'm so sorry. I broke my left arm about a little over a month ago, and I'm not joking. Look. I broke my left arm, and it was when I was showering. Can you believe that? It wasn't, you know, doing any sports or anything like that. Just something that everyone does on a daily basis. It's very common. I mean, that's what the doctor told me. So yeah, be careful when you're showering. But yeah, I broke my left arm. It was very unexpected, and it was pretty severe. It broke literally in half. I will show a picture somewhere on the screen if you guys are wondering, and a before and after, because I had to have surgery because it was very severe. Like I said, it broke in half and it shattered into 3 pieces. If I didn't have it, you know, if I didn't have surgery, I would have had nerve damage, and I had to have it immediately. So, well, unfortunately for me, I couldn't have it immediately because I'm not going to get into it much about the hospital situation, but I did get surgery within, I broke it on June 1st, which was on a Friday, and I had my surgery on a Monday, so a couple of days, but you know, it was all worth it. Everything's fine. Like I said, I've been recovering. It's been a month and a half almost already. If God willing, I have one more week with my brace, and then I can be able to start my therapy. So don't want to make this intro super long, and that's not what you're here for, but I went ahead and just wanted to come back with using the Norvina Anastasia palette that just launched today. If you guys haven't got it, I hope you guys did, because I absolutely love this palette. And disclaimer, this was sent to me. I am on their PR list, and I got all of their new launches. Norvina is amazing, and I'm super proud and happy for her that she came out with her own palette. It's been long overdue, honestly. This just screams Norvina. It really does. This isn't a first impression, because I did use this palette the other day, and I did a more wearable look, which I have on my Instagram. If you guys are interested, go follow me on there. But today I really wanted to play with the purples, and I came up with this really fun, colorful cut crease halo eye. I hope you guys like it. I really enjoyed doing this video, and you know, obviously filming again, because it has been a hot minute, you know, that I've come back on here and talk to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and it's just an eye tutorial. I didn't want to make this a super long video, so I just wanted to show you guys the most important thing, which was the palette in action. So if you guys are interested in how I got the eye look and a little bit of the highlight and everything else, then just keep on watching. So the first color I'm going to go in is with Soul, which is that purple that everybody was pretty much drawn to with this palette. And I'm sorry I can't point to the shadows, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to go in with my Morphe MB23, my favorite. I'm just going to start putting this in the crease as my first transition shade. As you can see, it's pretty pigmented. Okay, so I built up the color to how intense I want it. Now, the second shade we're gonna go into is Drama, which is that dark purple shade, and it is a shimmer, but I will be using it as a transition as well, and that's something I rarely do. I usually just use mattes in my crease. It does have a bit of a fallout, like I said, because it is a shimmer, so do expect fallout. But for me, fallout is not really a huge deal as long as the shadows perform well, you know what I mean? And see how pigmented it is? And so I'm bringing this color in my inner and outer corner as well. I'm just going to take my first transition brush and start blending out the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up that little bit of fallout that we had. We're going to do the halo cut crease, and what I like to do is I use foundation instead of concealer to cut the crease. I like to use this one. This is the True Match by L'Oreal, this is an amazing foundation, by the way, but it is a more watery consistency, so I feel like it's easier to work with when it comes to cut creases instead of it being really stiff and, you know, more easier to mess up. So with the foundation, this foundation in particular, I feel like it's a lot easier and less likely to mess up, at least for me. I have been loving this brush. This is from Morphe. This is the M421 brush, and this brush has changed my life as far as cut creases and stuff. This thing is amazing. It makes it twice as easy. So, and it was only like, I don't know, $3 or $4. So, I mean, it's Morphe, you can't beat that. And I do kind of had hooded lids. So as you can see, that's where the crease is. So I'm going to stamp it all the way down. Look up, and that's where it goes. And then I'm just going to spread it out. We got our halo cut crease going on. Now I'm going to use the color Wild Child, which is that pretty iridescent pink shade. Super pretty. I think it's one of my favorites from this whole entire palette. As per usual, I'm going to use my MAC 242 brush. And I'm placing this color at the very top and then bringing it down as well in the center. So we got the Wild Child color, and I think it's so pretty. I love it. Next color I'm going to use is Celestial, which is that lighter purple. Same brush, and it's dry. I'm just going to start stamping this in between the pink shade and the darker purple, just to create that gradient on both sides. Now I'm going back into the darker purple Drama and further blending in these two shades together. Who the f is calling me? And then the inner corner as well. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dogs barking. My mom just got home. I'm gonna go back into the color Wild Child, which is that pink, and further blend. Pretty much done with the top portion of the eye, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then we'll finish off with the eyes, so I'll be right back. So my face is pretty much all done. I just need to put highlighter, but let's go ahead and finish the rest of the eye. So I'm going to go in with Soul, which is that first transition shade that we used. I'm just going to smoke this color out. So I'm bringing it all the way across and also connecting it to the top. I'm going to go in with Drama, which is that dark purple, the second transition shade. And very carefully, because this one does have a lot of fallout, and I'm upset that I can't use my arm to to catch it, but I'm just gonna be super careful. And I'm bringing this one all the way across as well, just tapping off all that excess. I'm just going to go back with my first brush and further blend out, smoke it out more, and then get rid of those harsh edges. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the Ethereal shade. which is that really pretty iridescent purple. It's so pretty. I love this glow kit. I think it's one of my favorites so far. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm using the Mad Lash from thebalm. I love this mascara. And for lashes, I'm gonna use the Cocoa Dashing. They're really pretty. So I went ahead and applied my lipstick, and I used one of the matte lipsticks from Anastasia as well. And this is one of their newest shades that came out, and this is in the shade Sweet Pea. It's a really pretty pinky purple shade, and I thought it would go really well with the eyes. It might be a little much for some people, but let me live my fantasy. So now I'm going to also show you the Dream Glow kit as well. I'm going to also use Ethereal for my face. I mean, why not go all in, right? Ooh. Girl, yes. Feel like a mermaid, fairy, just living my best life. I'm living. Just gonna go with my beauty blender a little bit around the edges so it blends nicely. I'm not gonna use Ethereal on my nose because I think it's a little much, so I'm gonna go in with Sunshine, which is the more yellow shade. And it's honestly not even yellow. I mean, look at this. Hello. They also came out with 5 new glosses, which I wanted to show you guys real quick. I mean, I'm not gonna swatch them all. I mean, I'm sorry, I can't swatch anything at the moment. But I am going to try one on for you guys. But I love these glosses. They're not like super pigmented, which I like. They just give your lips that juicy full look, and they're glittery, but they do not feel gritty or anything. They feel super comfortable. They're not sticky. I definitely recommend them. I'm going to try on Estella because it's more of the pinky tone, so I think it will go better with this look. Oh, so pretty. You see that, guys? Oh, I'm obsessed. And they smell so good too. They smell like sweets. So that is the Estella gloss. Super pretty. Like I said, I definitely recommend the glosses. They're one of my favorite parts of the whole entire launch, and the palette, obviously. So that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this fun ethereal purple look. I really had a lot of fun doing this look. I miss playing with color. What better than with the Norvina palette, and I really wanted to show you guys how it performs. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I'm super happy for Norvina. She did an amazing job with this palette. It does retail for $42, just like the other eyeshadow palettes. The glosses, I also recommend them. They're amazing. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave in the comments down below of anything else you guys would like to see. If you want to see another look with this palette, I can go ahead and do that for you guys. Follow me on my other social medias. I will also have them linked down below for you guys. It feels really good to be back, you guys, and I really hope to start filming more, but please bear with me because I only have one arm right now. But yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.